5 mega road projects reshaping Kenya in 2026. Kenya has over 239,000 kilometers of road network. And with these, Kenya is ranked third in Africa when it comes to the length of recognized road network and 32nd globally. But there is a problem. Only 10% of Kenya road network is paved. Simply put, it is somewhere between 22,000 and 24,000 kilometers of road network in Kenya that is tarmacked. And yet, roads carry more than 80% of freight and passenger traffic in Kenya. That is why government and development partners are investing hundreds of billions of shillings into highways, bypasses, and dual carriageways. These projects aim to reduce congestion, improve trade, lower transportation costs, and attract investment. Today, we are looking at 5 biggest road projects currently changing Kenya, where they are, how much they cost, whether they are on track, and opportunities and concerns surrounding them. At number 1, we have Rironi Mau Summit Express. This is a 175-kilometer highway from Rironi through Naivasha, Gilgil, and Nakuru to Mau Summit. In fact, this is Kenya's largest public-private partnership or PPP road project, and it cost approximately 90 billion Kenya shilling. This road project aims to solve the chronic congestion problem along the Nairobi Nakuru road corridor, and also ease the major delays for cargo heading to Uganda, Rwanda, DRC, because these landlocked countries in Eastern and Central Africa do transport their cargo through that major road network. Construction is underway in several sections. Initial works began late 2025, and the expected completion date is April 2027. Of course, with these, we're going to see faster freight movement, growth of logistic parks, especially around Naivasha and Gilgil areas, and increased value of real estate, specifically land, along the particular corridor where construction is happening. Issues raised so far when it comes to this project are 2. First, public concerns about future toll charges, and second, questions over pace of implementation, because Kenya's desire for such projects to be completed on time and they have value for money. The second road project is the Keno-Sagana Marua Dual Carriage Way. This is an 84-kilometer road corridor through Murang'a, Kirinyaga, and Nyeri counties, and it cost approximately 33 billion Kenya shillings. With this road project, it is looking to solve frequent congestion and accidents on the Great North Road Corridor. It is currently more than 93% complete and nearing its final completion, with an estimated completion of 2026. With this road, we're going to see faster movement of agricultural produce, higher property demand, more so in those areas like Sagana, Karatina, Marua. Basically, we're going to see demand shifting towards the current Nairobi metropolitan. It's going to go beyond the current metropolitan. And also, we'll see better regional trade towards Ethiopia side. The only issue raised with this particular road project is historical delays due to compensation and land acquisition challenges, which are typically things which need to happen as there is need to get ready for major road projects. The third major road project changing the face of Kenya is the Mombasa Mariakani Highway Dual. This is a 41.7 kilometer expansion from Mombasa through Mariakani, and this costs approximately 16 billion shillings in financing package. Problem this road project is solving is to ease the severe congestion between the port of Mombasa and inland destinations. Construction is currently ongoing with unexpected completion by the end of 2026. With this road, we're gonna see faster cargo evacuation from the port, reduced travel time to Nairobi, increased industrialization around Mariakani area, and the only issue raised related to this project is the temporal disruption of business during construction, because any major construction disrupts main business. And then the fourth major project changing the face of Kenya is the Dongo Kundu bypass. This is located in southern Mombasa, and the bypass connects Mombasa mainland to Kwale and South Coast. This project cost tens of billions of shillings across multiple phases. This project aims to solve dependency on Likoni ferry, because hundreds of thousands of Kenyans use Likoni ferry on a daily basis. This project is currently at a stage of near completion of works, because major sections are already operational while complementary works continue. It is expected to be fully completed soon once complementary works are done. And with this, we're going to see tourism growth in Diani and the larger South Coast. We're going to see faster cargo movement. We're going to see industrial development in special economic zones expanding beyond the current ones. And the only issue raised with this project is the environmental concerns and community resettlement discussions, which are massive issues when it comes to road projects, because sometimes it entails environmental factors and of course resettlement and compensation of affected parties. And then the fifth project changing the face of Kenya, which is currently ongoing and within Nairobi County, is the Nairobi Expressway extensions and interchanges. This is supporting infrastructure around Nairobi Expressway and Mombasa Road. Originally, the Nairobi Expressway estimate cost was 88 billion Kenya shilling, and it was aimed to open up the eastern part of the city to the western part of the city, basically ease travel time between JKI and Westlands. Of course, the Nairobi Expressway is operational. Currently, we are seeing ongoing optimizations along that particular expressway, and interestingly, along different bypasses in the city, because we're talking about a smart city project going on. And specifically for the expressway, we are looking at the county and national government are also looking at expanding the current infrastructure, specifically interchanges and extensions across different areas. And this is looking at, first of all, ensuring this transit-oriented development, and secondly, increasing commercial activity near interchanges. Of course, the issues historically raised relating to the expressway are the realities of Kenya around toll fee affordability and sometimes traffic disruptions during either VIP movements or massive constructions. And by extension, beyond the expressway, we are seeing Nairobi County also putting in works around the Eastern Bypass, Northern Bypass corridor to ensure that these roads are more optimized. Guys, those are the 5 major road projects changing the face of Kenya. What do you think about this?